Hi solar companies, I'm Bill from EnergyBin. Today I have tip number 2 from our series, 10 tips for buying wholesale solar equipment. Over the past 20 years, we've connected thousands of wholesale buyers and sellers from around the world via online B2B exchanges. These tips are based on successes of our members. Without further ado, here's tip number 2. Seek the expertise of a solar equipment broker. What is a solar equipment broker, you may ask? In a nutshell, they are masters of the equipment trade. Just like a stockbroker who has a constant pulse on the investment market, solar equipment brokers live and breathe equipment deals and specialize in efficient supply chain processes. They tend to use the internet to connect to the secondary market, gain global access to products, and streamline processes. Because of their market expertise and handling of goods, brokers tend to save their clients an average of 20 to 70% on hardware and supply chain costs. If you'd like to be connected to a reputable broker, contact EnergyBin. We'll be happy to introduce you to some of the industry pros. That's our wholesale buying tip for today. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and get more tips about resources about buying and selling wholesale solar equipment. To learn more about EnergyBin, the B2B solar equipment trading community that connects solar companies and components at wholesale levels, visit our website or give us a call today.